Watch the video till the end to see how to draw other drawing driving other picture is very simple. You can also do this at home and watch the video till the end. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. May God bless and protect you. Amen.